everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video we will discuss about olive oil, benefits of olive oil and types of olive oil. For many reasons, it's good for your health. It improves digestive system, prevents cancer, reduce inflammation and moisturize hair, etc. However, you need to know that specific types of olive oil do specific functions. Before you rush to the market to grab a bottle of the oil, you should know about these facts. First of all, let's discuss about the nutrition value of the olive oil. Olive oil is gluten-free, sodium-free, cholesterol-free and sugar-free. It's rich in vitamin E and K. The monosaturated fats in olive oil may help reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. It contains 119 calories per tablespoon and also 14 grams of fat, which is considered as healthy fat. Number 1 type is extra virgin type of olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil type is certainly the best type among all. It is extracted by the cold pressing method to prevent the natural content from being altered by exposures to high temperature. This oil even has lower acidity content compared to its standard virgin counterpart. It's considered the best simply because it retains most of the natural flavor and aroma. This is as well the most commonly used type of olive oil for health purposes. You can even consume or drink extra virgin olive oil directly without any other ingredient mixed with it because the health benefits of olive oil are extensive. This type of olive oil is best to be used in seasoning or salads. Number 2 is virgin olive oil. The virgin type of olive oil is an unrefined form. It is extracted by cold pressing method and it brings more natural aroma and flavors compared to other types. It contains slightly high acidity content between 1 to 4%. This specific type of olive oil is temperature resistant as well. Compared to the extra virgin type, this one has milder taste. This is suitable for low heat cooking purpose. Number 3 is refined olive oil. This type of olive oil is extracted from black and ripe olive fruits. Among other types, it has the least amount of virgin olive oil, which is known for its great benefits in preventing colon cancer. The light type is sometimes marketed as better than the regular one, but it is still considered low quality and therefore is only good for cooking purposes, especially one that involves high temperature. It still contains the same fat and calories as other types. Number 4 is pure olive oil. Although the name clearly suggests that it is pure, this type of oil is not at all pure. In fact, it is a blend extra virgin or virgin type olive oil with a refined form of olive oil. The blending method is often used when the extraction quality is not as good as expected. In order to improve the quality, the refined oil has to be mixed with a better quality one. The added oil will give higher amount of vitamin E and better flavor. Pure olive oil can be used in cooking, body massages and preparing herbal oils. Number 5 and the last type of olive oil is olive pomace oil. The pomace type is the lowest quality olive oil. It's extracted from the residue that remains after the fruit is pressed. After the actual fruits are pressed, they leave residue containing oil and water. Once the water and oil are removed, the residue still contains certain amount of oil and can be extracted. This type of olive oil is best used in cleaning purposes such as polishing of furniture. It is not good for eating. That's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.